17 courses, and they're quick courses because the main thing is I want you to get the basic information. Same thing we do in Notary Educators Mentorship. Same exact premise. We want you to get the basics in the courses, the online training, and then when we meet together, we get you all cleaned up and ready to go. Loving it. Debbie says, will the mentorship prices be the same for the rest of this year? Yes, they will. Yes, they will be the same. And right now you can join at $27 or $47. The $27 gets you access to your 5 core courses that you need, and you still get to come to the weekly live trainings, even in the $27 plan. So if you're part of the 47 or were part of it before and you just want to get in the community, the 27 allows you to come to every session. Okay? It allows you to come to every session. I don't know how I could word it differently. And I really don't want people just joining to come to the sessions because I think you won't benefit yourself. But you can come and do the trainings. Those 5 trainings there. It's Notarize Like a Pro, your core courses. Notarize Like a Pro, Specialty General Notary, one of them. How to price your services and how to market, how to build a business. All of those are included. So people are really being successful even with the $27. They are. And it's funny because they're like, I got this. I can go do it. And then they're like, well, what if I get stuck? Well, if you get stuck, you need to be in the $47 one so you can get the chat access. Because that runs 7 days a week. It's kind of like the NNA hotline, but it's via chat. And it's 7 days a week. NNA is only open 5 days a week. Okay, so yes, the prices will stay the same. LL, right? I will just get another LLC. Yeah. But again, don't make that decision kind of like, you know, because I see it. So just process it. Take some time and think about it. Hey, Sadia. Hello, hello. Queen Rashid says, I'm in a mentorship. Do you give the accountant info in there? The accountant info. What accountant info are you referring to, Queen? And thank you for being a part of membership. What accountant did I mention? Because I don't even know what I just said. What accountant information? Because I don't even remember mentioning an accountant. Are you talking about my personal accountant? Is that what you're referring to? My personal accountant? I wouldn't refer her because if something go bad, I don't want nothing to do with it. I'll be honest. I don't like referring people like that when it comes to people's money. I want a little degree of separation. Now, somebody referred her to me, so I guess it would be up to you to do your due research. I've been using her for 3 years. Sadia says, what a coincidence. I was looking for you on YouTube and forgot your name, and all of a sudden your live came up. That's so funny. What was meant to be today. Welcome, Sadia. Welcome. Any questions I can help you with while I'm here? Mrs. D said, most definitely I would be interested. Please let me know when the details become available. Thanks, Kimmi. Oh, my pleasure. And I wish you much success on that too. I really do. You said you had an accountant that helped you. Oh, yes. Yeah, she's not in the mentorship, and I have not brought her on and don't plan to. No, I don't mind giving you her number. I don't know about that. That's why I said I don't know, because sometimes people get funny. If it go bad, I don't see it going bad because I've been using her for 3 years. So, and you know what's so funny? I had another accountant before her. I actually used 3 last year. No, 2 years ago. Last year I used 2. So 3 years ago, I had somebody I was letting do my taxes for me. And he flat out told me, he said, look, I brought you as far as I could take you. I don't do ABC. And I was like, okay. But I didn't want to leave him because I knew him, right? I love working with him. Hey, guys, welcome. Any questions you have, feel free to go ahead and drop it, any comments or whatever. And anyway, he was like, I took you as far as I can go. So I stayed with him another year. And then after the year that, it ended up costing me a whole lot of money. Because I was like, I guess he has really taken me as far as he can go. I said, that's it. So I started asking people for referrals. And that's how I found her. And at the same time, somebody else gave me this other guy. And I really wanted to work with him. But he is so good. It's really hard to get an appointment with him. So one year I used both of them. And I might do that again this year. You know why I do that? Because and she doesn't like it. I'll be honest with you. I don't think she likes it. And I wouldn't like it either. I mean, I have people in mentorship that say, yeah, I also take such and such training. Okay, good. I'm happy for you. And you're going to learn something from that person. You're going to learn something from me. So I'm not mad about it, right? Do what's best for you and your pockets. But in her case, the reason I use her plus this other guy is because I want two sets of eyes on my books. I really do. I enjoy having her look at it and I enjoy having him look at it. So she's the person I meet with quarterly. She helped us get everything cleaned up. So I'm sure she felt a certain way when I said, okay, this year I'm going to let this guy do my taxes. And again, I wanted this other person to do it just because I wanted another set of eyes on it, you know? I just feel better. So far I've been doing like quarterly meetings with her and then I let this other guy do it. And I got another appointment with him. It's very hard to get an appointment with him. He's like a two-man show. He's really a one-man show. Old fashioned, got all your stuff laying all out on the floor. When I first walked in there, I was like, here's a gym, y'all. Here's a gym. When I first walked in my tax guy's office, I said, I hope he don't watch my channel. I don't think he do. But I first walked in there, I'm sure he's heard it before. And I looked around. I told Jeff, I said, I don't know. I'm looking like I'm looking on camera. I'm looking around like me and got files everywhere. Now they're organized because he got a little sticky on each one. They're not just strewn all over the place, but they are everywhere. You got a lot of business. And I said, oh, Lord, I hope you don't mess up our stuff. Because he just has stuff everywhere. So where's the gym? Make sure your notary supplies and your bag look like you want people's business. Make sure your car is cleaned when you roll up to people. I know I'm going to step on some toes, but make sure your car is clean. You know, I ain't saying you got to go get it detailed. But, so let me know, Queen. I might get, share that with you. Yeah, but I ain't saying you got to go get a detail every week, but make sure your stuff is clean. You know, don't pull out your bag and everything falling out. I got stuff in folders, very organized, and all that leaves a nice impression on people. You know, you ever been to, it can happen anywhere. You can go to anybody's office sometimes. I've been to other people's office before, and I'm looking around like, I don't know if I want you touching my stuff. Now, the reverse can be true too. I've been in some people's office and it's so clean. I'm like, do they have any clients? Do they know what they're doing? So people cannot win, can they? They cannot win because I've been in offices and I'm like, it is so doggone clean. I'm like, have you touched a piece of paper this year? Do you actually do what you say you do? So that's funny. Queen says, ma'am, I need her to tell me about all these bank accounts. All right, I'll give you her number. I'll give it to you. Are you in Georgia, Queen? Where are you located? Debbie says, I'm planning on doing, and you don't have to be in Georgia too. She does, I think she does nationwide. Yeah, I think she does nationwide. Debbie says, I'm planning on doing remote online notary, but I need the mentorship program to start my business. Yes. And if you're not too sure of your notarial duties, also before you start your remote online notary, Debbie, I'm a really, 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 really recommend you do the mentorship for that reason too. So in order to have a great remote online notary business, you have to know how to stamp the paper. You have to. You have to. A lot of people think I'm just going to hop into remote online notary. I could bypass all the regular notary stuff. If you can't stamp a paper face to face, remote is going to be a beast. Okay. So I'll tell you what I like people to do. And this is just my personal opinion. Okay. And I'm going to be transparent because I don't even do remote. Okay. I have a remote online notary introductory course to teach you a little bit about it, but I don't actually do it because it's not legal in my state. Okay. When it's come to Georgia, I'll be the first person to sign up. I do teach nationwide, so I can tell you a little bit about everything, right? But this is what I like people to do. You get your commission, right? The next thing I really like you to do is get this Start Your Notary Business book for your state, wherever you're located. And that way it's going to give you a nice overview of the business, right? Tell you what you can do. Florida, wherever you're located, right? All 50 states. And then the next thing I like for you to do is after you get your commission, read that little quick read. It's a quick read. Then I like you to double back and join the mentorship program. Or if you're not going to join mentorship, at least take Notarize like a pro. I like people to get the core courses under their belt. Then they have to build out that business because how are you going to accept payments? Are you going to be an LLC? Do you need EIN? All that kind of stuff, right? And then the next thing we're going to do is actually go out and stamp some papers face to face if you can. Unless you have a physical disability or something why you can't go out. I like people to get out there in the streets first, for real. because you're going to learn so much stuff doing street notarizations, getting out there in general notary with the people, and then double back and now let's add remote online notary because you got a different beast to worry about. When you start doing remote online notary, now you got to already do that basic that I just talked about, boot camp notarizations. You might be anywhere. You don't know if they got good ID, all the gamut, whatever you come across. But then now let's go to remote online notary. When you get to remote online notary, now you got to worry about the technical part of it. So you got to know your notarization piece. You got to be able to walk your clients through, the KDP part. Is it KDP? Knowledge based, knowledge based, KBI, knowledge based ID or something like that. But they are identifying themselves electronically. So you got to know all of that. So you got to know the basics. A lot of times, like I said, people trying to bypass that part and go straight to online thinking it's easier. It's not. It could be even more harder. So I just like you to have a little bit of everything. Thank you. Oh, you're so welcome, Mrs. D. You're so welcome. So yeah, join the program now for sure. We'd love to have you. We got a lot of people doing remote in the group too. We got a lot of Texans in the group, so they're doing remote online notary. We have about 3 to 4 that are actively doing it. Quite a few are just doing regular general notary work, loan signings. We got a couple people killing the field inspection game. So tomorrow, that's what that session is about. Let's see. Debbie says, "Oh, okay. Queen is in Valdosta. Okay, and shoot me a DM. Are you in the group? I can't check because I'm on my phone. Are you in the group me? If you're in the group me, just send me a little message behind the scenes so I can remember, or shoot me an email at info@notaryeducators.com. Debbie says, I am on Social Security and I have to be careful how much I make until February. I have my stamp. I've done a few stamps. Okay, I don't drive and have a leg disability. Okay, so that's why you want to do the online. That's fine. That's fine. And that makes complete sense. That's why I said unless you got a disability or something. Those were the other steps I recommended. Yeah, and you can do well with online. You can, but you still got to know. So you need the loan signing course. Sometimes you'll be doing loan signing documents. So all of that's included in the mentorship too. So you need to know how to do loan signings too. Okay, cool. Debbie says, I am from New York, but I live in Texas. Well, isn't that funny? Because I told you we got a lot of Texans in the group. A lot. Queen Rashid says, I don't know how to get in the group. I will email you. Do you want to be in a group me, Queen? Because I really like people, if you can and you want to, get in that group me, because that's where you're going to really get your gems from too, and watch and get your motivation. So a lot of people, I find that they don't join the group me. So I don't know why. I encourage it though. But you can email me. If you want to get in the group me, I'll send you the link. info@notaryeducators.com. Okay. Everything we talked about is at notaryeducators.com today too. If you want to join mentorship, either 27 or 47. We got a few more minutes. I see we got quite a few new people that just joined us. If you want to ask a question, please. Yes, I can't figure it out. Yeah, email me so we can get you in the group me. Okay. Yeah. Email me. And if I have to, I'll call you to make sure we get you in there. What other questions do we have? Anything else? Are we sure before I leave, before I head out? Yeah, it's a little hot still for me out back. It's a little hot. I'm looking at the sun right now. So for me, the rest of the day, I'm going to probably go work on my website a little bit. Everything's kind of shut down, so I might get some calls later. I was waiting on a translation, so I don't know, the one I told y'all about earlier. So I don't know, did she chicken out or not? Maybe I should ask her. Let me see. I don't think she sent the money though. Let me look. Yeah, I don't see where she sent the money. She's supposed to sell it. Oh, I'll leave you with this last gem. I'll leave you with this last tip. I don't do anybody's job like translation services, apostilles, or anything like that. I didn't mind getting her a quote. Okay, you don't have to pay me full price to get the quote, but I don't actually start the job without being paid. Never, ever, 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 ever. I'm not driving downtown. I'm not driving to Decatur, wherever, to do an apostille. I'm not doing no press in or start the order, because once you do the quote for the translation services, they'll keep sending you emails. You want to get started? You want to get started? Nope. Client hasn't paid me yet. So I'm not doing anything until we get paid. Okay, that's another tip for you. Some people will say, "Well, I'll go ahead and do it." Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. It's just like loaning money. Don't loan no money to nobody that you may not be able to get it back from, unless it's gonna be a gift. Unless it's gonna be a gift. Okay, I'm gonna say it one more time. Unless it's gonna be a gift. Why? Because a lot of times you loan people money, you already know they can't pay you back. And I'm a big Dave Ramsey follower. So you did all this loaning of the money, and then you expect them to pay you back knowing that they can't. Now the relationship is severed. Okay. Same thing with my clients. I'm not doing nothing where I'm gonna be mad at you, because I can't sue my client over they ain't pay me for my translation. It ain't even worth going to court. I'm not even doing it. How about that? Okay, last chance for questions. So be careful, guys. Get paid first. Okay, and hit the like button for me. I know we got quite a few people here. Y'all can hit the like button and subscribe. Yeah. What last minute questions do we have? Anything else? And go back and watch the successes that was released today. I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Notary Business Success Mentor Program. All right. Nothing else? Okay. I'll give y'all 2 minutes. Not even, because I'm about to wrap this up. For all things notary, though, check out notaryeducators.com. And our people that just joined, are you sure nothing else? Make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to tell you to have much success out there. Again, check us out at notaryeducators.com. See you over in mentorship or in the chat. Bye. Thanks for hitting that like button. I saw somebody. Thank you. I can't see who it is, but I thank you. Okay. Bye, y'all.